In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Square account with QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and straightforward setup, and once it's connected, it can help streamline the way your transaction data flows into QuickBooks Online. That means less manual work and a smoother accounting process overall. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click on Accounting. Once that section opens, select Integration Transactions. This area is where you can manage connections that help bring outside transaction activity into your QuickBooks account, so it's the right place to begin if you want to link Square. After you're on the Integration Transactions page, find the Square option and select Connect. This will start the connection process between the two platforms. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to look through the available integration options until you locate Square. Once you click Connect, continue through the prompts on screen. You'll be asked to sign into your Square account so the connection can be verified. Go ahead and log in with your account details, then follow the authorization steps to allow QuickBooks Online and Square to connect properly. This verification step is important because it confirms that both accounts are linked securely and that QuickBooks has permission to access the transaction data it needs. As you move through the setup, make sure you carefully review each screen before continuing. In most cases, the process is simple and only takes a minute or two. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, you may need to allow them temporarily so the sign-in and verification can finish without interruption. Once you complete the login and approval process, the connection should be established. At that point, your Square account will be linked with QuickBooks Online, and that's all there is to it. As a final tip, after connecting, it's always a good idea to double-check that the integration appears as active inside QuickBooks Online. That way you can be confident everything is set up correctly and ready to support your bookkeeping workflow. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to connect your Square account with QuickBooks Online.